Hi guys, in this video let's see the update to the Samsung Galaxy S7. Let's see what is the last security patch and then we can forward the remaining procedure. Now you can see it is running on Android version 8 and the security patch is at 1st September. Now the update is of October security patch. Here you can see it is of 94 MB. What are the new features? It is fixing the new features and some of the bugs also. Now let's install it and see what we have.
You're glad to meet me. I really think you should. Aren't you glad to meet me?
Guys, it took nearly a couple of minutes, nearly of 10 minutes. Now let's see at what month the update is at. Now you can see here it is running on now October security patch. I think Samsung is just now concentrating on the updates also. I am getting the updates every month. From last 3 months I am getting the updates. As you can see, previously before in the update it was on September, now it is on October. At the ending of the November also I think we will get an update. If you like this video, hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel for more information like this. I will see maximum of all mobile updates I will show you like this. So please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next video.